Hi everyone, today's video is part of the collaboration for the Get Stamped stamping group. Off camera, I applied an ombre effect to the nail in various shades of purple gel polish by Modelones and AMBJOIN. I'll pop on some music now and let you watch the video. I'll be right back. Here is my final set. I'll add the playlist link in the description box. It's for all the others who participated in the collab. Go on and check out their videos and show them some love and support. I want to thank you for watching my video and I hope you enjoyed it. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your continued support. Please like and comment, it really does help my channel. See you next video. Bye.